Hello there. After a long hiatus, finally I got some time to make a video. This is the nest of a purple sunbird. Those tiny little shiny birds in sunshine which make very melodious sound. Now here the mother had laid many clutches, and right now we just have a baby inside, which I'll show you just now. As you can see, this baby, it's pretty helpless. Very tiny wings. The eyes are completely closed. Now they've opened. Earlier they were completely closed. It responds to its parents' cries, and look at the belly. It's almost full of stuff that it must have eaten. And occasionally the father comes to feed, but mostly it's the mother which keeps the baby warm and feeds it. And lovely creation of nature, as you can see over here. Here I want to show you how does the young sunbird reacts to when the parents land on the nest. Actually, I'll be doing it with my finger. Just take a look at it. Let's see it one more time. And this is how it looks, all snugged up. The young one is below this mother, very comfortable and cozy. I don't think I can get closer than this. I'm barely a couple of inches away from it. So finally you can see the young one has developed all its plumage, that is feathers. Now it is ready to fly, learn a few tricks from the parents, and be on its own for the rest of its life.